the baked fish. That's some of the. Not much of a flavor there. Didn't have much. Good afternoon. I'm at the largest shopping mall in the world, and today we're going to have baked fish for lunch. Ou. One of my favorites. It's a big old fish that's baked with vegetables and noodles, and I'd like to show you that. Let's go, check it out. This is the baked fish. I'm not sure what kind of fish it is, but it gave up its life for this lunch. And when we came into this restaurant, it was alive. They're not frozen, they're not in a refrigerator, they're in an aquarium. Things are alive until they get called to service. So let's just take a look at some of the fish. That's some of the fresh fish. Now, of course, this fish, flavor. That was good. That was full of spicy flavor. Now this fish is, it's a natural fish, but it's farmed. It's a farmed fish. In other words, it grew up in a restricted area. It was born in captivity, hatched to be served as food. It's not from the wild. I don't know where the fish farm is, probably in Southeast Asia, China, or Vietnam has a lot of fish farming. But all food today is processed, industrialized, food farmed, and but I like the Chinese style because it's fresh. It was alive this morning. It's processed the day it's served. It doesn't hang around. And that's the best part of Chinese fish. It's farmed. It's not the most natural food in the world, but it is fresh. And this is a big fat fish. It's all big white meat. And you do have to be careful of the bones. There are bones in it, of course, it's the whole fish. So the way we deal with that here is we eat slowly. And if there's a bone in it, we take the bone out. That was a boneless piece of meat. And let me see what else is in here. Looks like just vegetables and spices. Soybeans, onion, green onion, red pepper, and haidai, or seaweed, kelp. And that has that's good stuff. Edible seaweed. And seaweed does have the sea flavor. It feels like you're by the seashore when you eat it. Got that. That out the sea flavor. We didn't get a lot of noodles or anything in this. Oh, here's some right here. Cabbage, tofu, like tofu. Just a little filler, something to eat while you're eating the fish. There it is right there, tofu. Look for the fish head. Boy, that's a big fish. We got a lot of meat in there. So this. It's beefy. There's a lot of meat in there. Very meaty fish. That's the whole point. Now, I didn't order rice, but you can get rice with this. This is enough for me, just the meat and the things that are in it. This little cabbage. Put that on my plate, let it cool down a little bit. Here's a piece. All the spicy there, no bones. Haven't had a bone yet. Okay, so we're gonna enjoy this fish, take it apart piece by piece, have it for lunch. I'll see you toward the end. Okay. That was a delicious meal. Ou baked fish for lunch. Didn't have much with it, just went with the fish and its fixings. But I just wanted to show that to you because it's one of my favorites. But I must say I was a little left short a little bit. I didn't order enough food, didn't get the right compliments, should have had a bowl of rice. Got a little complimentary dessert, which is rare, no fortune cookies. But that was pretty good. It wasn't too expensive. And we'll cash out, pay up, and I'll see you outside, okay? Okay. That was a baked fish lunch. It was pretty good. I wouldn't say outstanding, but it's what I expected and what we got, what we paid for. It cost 193 renminbi, or about 30 US dollars, all included. About 30 bucks for that fish lunch. Okay, thank you very much for coming here with us, and I'll see you next time. Yeah, bye-bye.